Okay. Assista. My name is Emily Liu, and I'm going to present about artificial intelligence in the courtroom. Nowadays, artificial intelligence, or AI, is used everywhere, and it's spreading and advancing pretty rapidly. So today, I'll be talking about how concerned, some of the concerns that courts have for using AI, and how they address those concerns, and how they are actually being used. Well, first of all, what is AI? Well, generative AI is when you train a deep learning module with a bunch of data points, and then the AI will find connections and patterns between the data points, and they will give you a response whenever you ask a question. And there are concerns with using AI, which are that they can give deepfakes, which are basically when they digitally alter faces or images or videos, so that potentially they could accuse a person of a crime, something they didn't commit, or they could give false evidence or citations where they cite works that just don't exist or authors that don't exist. Or there also are privacy concerns where the confidential data or personal information could be leaked. And even though AI is like a machine or a robot, but they can be biased. They can be biased from the data you feed it or to train it. Because if you train it on past cases where a judge sentenced a person to a crime, that judge is biased, so you're feeding the algorithm with biased data. Or there could also be biases from unrepresented demographics. So it could be the AI might give a response biased or skewed towards a different gender, or a certain gender, or a certain race. Or humans can interpret whatever response the AI gives you in a biased way. So despite these concerns, AI is not leaving, so they have learned to address these issues. First off, they could install a security system so that it keeps the personal data of the clients safe. And whenever they do get a prompt, or whenever they do use AI generated documents, the lawyer or attorney or judge will need to fact check that those facts or that those citations or evidence, so that they know it's real and not AI generated or fake. And we also cannot let AI make the final judgments. So you can't just let AI decide whether this person is guilty and then however long that person will need to be sentenced, because we don't know if that AI is reliable enough or can consistently give reliable sentences. And they should also, if they are using AI, then they should be transparent in how they train that AI, so that the attorney, judge, or lawyer can decide whether that evidence is reliable or unbiased or fair.
Can you train the AI?
Yeah, train it so that they can think intelligently. So how they can actually use it in court, so that those concerns aren't bad. So we don't need to worry about the concerns. Is you could use it for simpler tasks like automatic filing, which they excel at much more than humans do, because they are less likely to make a mistake. And it can also increase the accessibility to the public. So either like with the chat box, you can just ask a question to the AI and then they just give it to you. Or if a person wants to self-represent, they could ask AI to help them with their case, because maybe they can't afford a lawyer. And for lawyers, it can help them research cases of similar cases. The AI can give them information about their case and how similar cases have been resolved. So, to review what I've gone over, the concerns involving AI are that there is a security privacy risk, that they can give fake evidence, and that they can be biased, even if they are machine. And to address those concerns, you just can't let AI make the final judgments and things. You can't just trust whatever evidence they give you, so you need to fact check. And then you can install a security system, and you need to be transparent in how they train the AI so we can decide whether it's trustworthy. And we learned how we can use AI in court so that we don't have to worry about those concerns. Overall, AI is not going to leave anytime soon. It is here to stay. So it is beneficial for us that we learn how AI is risky or how beneficial it can be, because AI is not only used in court, it can also be used in healthcare or technology or in education. So it's best if we learn about those risks before we delve into AI generated stuff. That's it. Thank you for listening.
Good job. I'll get going.
This is recording, right?